OPPO have been busy this year, and to imagine it's been a tough year. How many phones released so far? Well, we have reviews for the OPPO Reno 3, the OPPO Reno 4, and the A92 below in the description box. What we have today is the A93, and what will come as a shocker will be the opinion that OPPO might be undercutting the Reno 4 with the A93. Well, at least that's what some would say, because you see, the OPPO Reno 4 came as an improvement to the Reno 3, but now what we are seeing with the A93 is a 31K priced phone that looks and performs almost at par with the Reno 4, but with differences that you will have to decide for yourself if they are worth the 9K difference. So, from Techweez, I'm Martin Gethenji with the OPPO A93 unboxing and hands-on review. Let's take it and go. Just a disclaimer before we continue. This is not a comparison between the A93 and the OPPO Reno 4. No. But then the evident and similar design features are something that a keen eye will notice. And a subscription to the channel would be a great plus, especially if you don't want to miss some of our frequent and ever so random giveaways. All right? The A-line from OPPO has always been sold as a mid-range device. The A93 in this case fits that description perfectly based on its sheer specs. You get 128GB of internal storage along 8GB of RAM, which is somewhat becoming a standard for devices costing over 25K. The display is a bright 6.4 Super AMOLED panel that gets plenty bright in direct sunlight and houses an in-display fingerprint reader, fast and responsive from the initial tests. The processing power is handled by the MediaTek Helio P95 chip with no performance issues so far, obviously due to the P95 chip at 12 nanometers doing the heavy lifting paired with that big RAM. Coming in at an ultra lightweight of 164 grams and an ultra thin thickness of 7.48 millimeters. The OPPO A93 has 3 color variants: Magic Blue, Matte Black, and Metallic White. For our review, we got our hands on the Magic Blue and the Matte Black, but man, wouldn't it have been awesome to see that Metallic White. Running on Android 10 with hopes to upgrade to Android 11, ColorOS 7.2 makes an appearance out of the box. Remember the smart air control feature that was first introduced in the OPPO Reno 4? Well, they have it here on the OPPO A93. Nice! So as I was about to go into the cameras, I noticed something. The A93 has the exact same camera configuration as the Reno 4, especially on the back, but with a different layout to avoid confusing the two. 48 megapixels main, 8 megapixels ultra-wide, 2 megapixels monochrome, 2 megapixels depth sensor. At the front, the difference is clear. 16 megapixels main and 2 megapixels depth sensor. So, how do the cameras stack up? Well, very good. Actually, because this is an OPPO mid-ranger and they tend to perform admirably in the image department. Here are some shots for you to enjoy. All along, you have noticed we are making a lot of references to the Reno 4, of course because of the similarities, but this one part is where we start seeing some very significant differences. The 4000 mAh battery is admittedly big, but it charges at 18 watts. Now, don't get us wrong, 18 watts is fast, but not as quick as 30 watts on the Reno 4. On the bright side of things, OPPO bundles the fast charger for the A93, so you don't need to spend more money on a compatible brick. It has the same super power saving mode we were introduced to on the Reno 4 and an added extra feature called AI night charging. Using AI, OPPO A93 intelligently optimizes its battery charging at night, so it can reach 100% of battery exactly in the morning at your wake-up time. Now, this protects the battery's lifespan due to repeated charging between 80 and 100%. Overall, we are confident that you love the A93. It feels good in the hand, and this two-tone frosted plastic backplate feels premium for a device that will cost 31,000 Kenya shillings. It is even lighter than what the competition offers in this price range. That may be a turn-off for people who love compact handhelds. Who is the OPPO A93 for? Well, if you have 40,000 shillings to spare, I would still say go for the Reno 4. But if you have a limited budget of 9,000 shillings less, then the A93 is for you. Stay tuned though for an in-depth review on techweez.com. Till the next one, we done tech it. Now we go.